Alright, we're gonna go cruising in this crazy lifted 1975 DJ5. I'm gonna hang on when I do this though. Gary's trying to throw me out of the Jeep. No brakes? Alright, it's got a little Chevy 4.3 liter 6-cylinder in it. Turbo 350 transmission. It's got disc brakes. It has a waterproof AM/FM stereo system. It's pretty much a drive it wherever you want, in the dirt, in the rain. You can hose out the floor. It's all metal. Got some ammo boxes for a center console. Pretty neat old Jeep. It's got remote control lights on it and everything. 35-inch tires.
Probably hit the hills pretty good.
Yeah, it's nice if you got like a cabin up in the woods or something, or if you got a little beach pad. It's just a little beach buggy. It's a DJ5, which is basically a two-wheel drive version of the CJ5. It does have a front differential, could be converted to four-wheel drive, but
needs a transfer case.
Needs a transfer case. Nobody set it up for that, so just something fun. It's got a little grab handle here.
Yeah, you might need that
in case you're rolling it. It's got a full cage, and all the paint on it's pretty much, it's like rhino liner.
Yeah.
Really tough. Rocks can bounce off it, and door dings aren't going to hurt it. Pretty cool. America. It's a POW Missing in Action tribute Jeep. Oh, we're coming up to our little picture spot here. Get some pictures for you. Here's a fun little toy for the weekend. 1975 DJ5. Yep, that's what I said, a DJ5. That was a two-wheel version of the Jeep, like the mail trucks from back in the day. This was 1975, so if you're in California, that means it's smog exempt. It has a 4.3 liter V6 Chevy engine in it with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It's got four-wheel power disc brakes. It's got power steering. It's got an onboard compressor for airing down the tires and everything if you're going to go out on the sand. Heavy-duty high-lift jack. Nice cage. I mean, this thing is, you'll probably live through it if you roll it. Keyword probably. It's got a back seat for the little ones. Little compartments, ammo boxes, so you can keep your cell phones and all your goodies in there so don't fly out when you go around corners. Jegs gauges throughout. It's got a waterproof AM/FM stereo in there. Also has a CB radio. A lot of neat little things on it. It's got some remote control lights here and there. Got these little guys right here. They go back and forth. Kind of some goofy things there. It's got headlights up here. Bright light bars. Remote control. 9,000-pound winch. It's got a 6-inch lift. It's got a Dana 44 rear end in it with 456 gears. You're not going to be going anywhere real fast. All this custom tubing and steel work. It's all rhino lined. I mean, you could hit this thing with a hammer and will not make a dent. It's pretty cool. Auxiliary fuel tank with some fake bullet holes in it. Turn these lights off here. There we go. Little shovel, dig yourself out. And of course, the American flag. Pretty cool Jeep. Some nice airbrushing here on the dash. It's a POW MIA tribute automatic transmission with a hand grenade on there. Pretty awesome Jeep. Something fun to cruise around in. Here's the power plant in the DJ5. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a 4.3 little Chevy motor, Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, HEI ignition, serpentine belt system, aluminum radiator, electric fan, Optima battery. Also has this power brake unit there, and also a compressor to air up your tires and let them down if you're out there in the sand. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Pretty simple. Just reliable little horsepower. Good for a little light Jeep like this. Motor's right down the road. The 3-speed automatic transmission works well. Got some turn downs right there, the exhaust. Pretty cool. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come on down to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. And phone number is 818-591-1313. And you can speak to Gary or myself, Rich, and we'd be happy to show it to you. All right, thanks for